Let's check this second part of healing brush tools. Let us say you are working on a product photography, and when you see here, there are so many things which you need to be removed from this image. For this, I am going to use this healing brush tool, which is the second type of healing tool. So here what I am going to do is I am just right clicking here and decreasing the size, and then I would like to select the sampling area. So first of all, I would like to make a new layer here. Just clicking on this place, I can create a new layer, and here, so when you see here, there is a sample option. So when you see here, there is a sample option. So I would like to take sample from current and below layer, which means whatever the details I am going to apply for healing brush, that will be taken from the below layer and the present layer, which is layer 1 and layer 2, and it will apply on the layer 2 itself. So this is the one of the easiest and very specific way that you can use this healing brush tool. Since I have selected healing brush tool, I can manually select the sampling area. To select sampling area, just click option or alt and hold, then you can see the different type of cursor. So it actually select the sampling area, and based on the sampling area, you can just paint it over there. So in this image, I would like to remove this part and to make it in a seamless way, and then I would like to remove this part, and also this part should be removed and it should be changed. So these are the spots that I would like to make it in this seamless way using healing brush tool. So let us see. So I have this layer which I have created, and just zooming it a bit and selecting this healing brush, which is the second one, and collecting the sample from this area and clicking on it, and then I'm just painting it just like this. Automatically it will identifies the content and paints accordingly, just like this. If you want to paint it one more time, just click on it and just paint it here. So it will samples the content from this area and will produce a new sampling collection on this. So here I'm just changing the brush sizes using brackets and painting it one by one, selecting the sampling and painting it here. So you need to be more precise while doing this sampling process, because small sampling details that makes your image in a professional way. So I'm just sampling the area here and painting just like this. I think I have done almost the entire sampling itself. So this is how this actually looks like. I just click and hold alt and then release alt, and I'm just pasting it. So automatically it will select the samples from that area itself and paste it in this seamlessly. So I think I have finished the entire retouching this image. So let us see the previous and this one. So this is the previous and this is after retouching this image. So when you see this, you will be understanding how easily and persistent way that you can apply this spot healing in your images. So this is how we can use healing brush tool in Photoshop.